Welcome back to Hover and Discover. Today we're exploring one of the most dramatic and breathtaking roads in all of England, Honister Pass in the Lake District. Get ready for towering peaks, winding roads and a peek into the fascinating history of one of Britain's last working slate mines. Honister Pass connects the Borrowdale Valley to Buttermere, and trust me, it's not for the faint-hearted. With gradients reaching 25%, tight bends and jaw-dropping views at every turn, it's one of the highest and steepest passes in the Lake District. Just look at this view. Formed during the last ice age, these U-shaped valleys were carved by massive glaciers, giving Honister its rugged and dramatic landscape. But Honister isn't just about scenery. It's also home to a famous Honister Slate Mine with roots going back over 300 years. Mining began here in the early 1700s, when workers would haul slate down the mountain by hand and horse. Slate from Honister became known worldwide for its durability. You'll find it on rooftops, floors, and even on billiard tables. The mine closed in 1989, but in the late 90s it was revived and is now the last working slate mine in England. Today you can take underground tours, climb the Via Ferrata along the old miners' path, or even cross a high infinity bridge if you're brave enough. Whether you're here for history, hiking, or just an epic road trip, Honister Pass is an unforgettable stop in the Lake District. But just be prepared, the weather changes fast. If you've enjoyed the trip to Honister Pass, then hit that like button and subscribe for more Lake District adventures. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Keep hovering and and keep discovering.